Today we're going to be finding out the top speed on the Stark Varg Alpha. So the reason why I wanted to make this video today is because this is one of the most common questions that get asked on the channel and also in person as well, is how fast does the Stark actually go? So how we're going to be doing this today, I set up 3 realistic preset modes that we're going to be using today. And what I mean by realistic is obviously this bike goes up to 80 horsepower, but no one uses it in 80 horsepower because it's just way too fast. So the first mode that we're going to be testing today is 35 horsepower. This is a mode that people will use in the woods because you don't need a whole lot of horsepower in the woods, and it also doesn't drain the battery a ton. So I figured that'd be a perfect starting point to see how fast 35 horsepower goes. And then the second mode that we're going to be using is 45 horsepower. That's typically what I use for all my videos, is 45 horsepower when I'm just riding around the streets. And then the last mode that we're going to be using today is 55 horsepower. So I'm going to hop on the bike. We're going to go find a back road where we can go full throttle on. This guy's turning in right here, so we'll have some open space. Let's see how 35 goes. Full throttle here. 63, 64. Alright, so on 35, top speed is about 65 miles per hour. I'm going to turn around up here and then we'll test out 45. It should be at least 5 miles per hour, maybe 10 miles per hour faster. We'll see. So now we're on 45. Let's see. Already a lot faster. So right there, it looks like we were right at like 73, 74, maybe it hit 75, I couldn't really tell. Also keep in mind guys, the bike's on 71% right now too, so if the bike was on, you know, 20% higher, I might have been able to get a couple miles per hour faster. All right, now let's put it on mode 5. This is our 55 horsepower mode. Right there, we just got under 80 miles per hour. If the bike had 20% more charge, it definitely would have hit 80, 81, 82. Ooh, we gotta pull up to the secret path here. Ooh, that sounded harsh. Oh, look at this. There's a little setup in there. I wonder if that's from like kids or if that's like actually a homeless person staying there. Actually looks like a nice setup. So guys, the thing to think about too is this is the MX Gen 1 Stark. So I'm sure the EX and the new MX version probably do go a bit faster than this one does. And another thing too is I don't have supermotos on. So if I had supermotos on, I bet it would go like 5 miles per hour faster or something. I like the bike, bro. How we doing? Nice to meet you. I'm Dylan. Yo. What up, bro? Appreciate it, bro. You guys all got the Surons, huh? Yeah. Fire. Yeah, I was just telling them, I thought they were gonna be like a little bit bigger.
Oh, well, this is a smaller version, this is a bigger version.
Oh, okay.
I have seen you on it too.
Yeah, I've done like a lot of like abandoned stuff. The abandoned stuff always hits, so I just kept like doing it.
Abandoned barn, have you got another abandoned barn right there?
I have, yeah. These kids want to see a little flyby. Jesus Christ. That's the problem with these. No one can hear you. Oh, my life just flashed before my eyes right there. Oh, that would have been so bad. Just getting absolutely T-boned. All right, let's make our way down here. Let's cut through the park. All right, let's make our way over to this bridge here.
Dash cam?
Oh, it's a camera. I make YouTube videos.
Really?
Yeah. It's called Dylan Does 490. Ooh, can we get out this way? Maybe just barely. Yes. Every time I come over here, I'm always like, oh, there's gotta be a jump, and then there's not. I don't know why I keep coming over here. I know there's not. I feel like one's gonna spawn up one day or something. If you live pretty close to me, you've definitely seen this. It's like an abandoned mill grain or something like that. It's actually huge. I'm surprised no one's ever bought it. They've had it for sale forever. I wonder if the floors or anything are even in there anymore. Got a boat here though. Let's do some enduro. I always like to come up here every once in a while, see if there's anything different. These type of places, there's always so much graffiti. It's insane. Is the bike gonna fall? Looks like it was leaning for a second. Yeah, this is dope. What is that, an old golf cart? Should probably get down from here before the police see me. Skirt! This road feels smooth. All right, I'm gonna make my way back to the house. All right, guys, we just made it back to the house. If you guys are liking these Stark testing videos, like the top speed test, the range test, let me know in the comments because I'll keep making these videos for you guys. And I just want to say thank you as always for showing support on the channel. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. I got a couple sick videos coming up, so if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It helps me out a ton. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.